And welcome back to Western New York Living. For over 20 years, the Cosmetic Vein and Laser Center in Williamsville has been committed to offering the finest cosmetic dermatology and vein care treatments in the area. Now, this means providing the latest, safest, and most advanced cosmetic technology to their patients. Their newest laser, the Fotona Ultra Performance Laser, can offer non-invasive sculpting, facelifts, even laser snoring treatments, and so much more. As I found out from the doctors, these treatments are simple and effective. We've all heard the saying that patience is a virtue, but when it comes to reversing the signs of aging, most people are looking for immediate results over patience. With the help from the new Fotona Ultra Performance Laser, which has many different treatment options, the doctors at the Cosmetic Vein and Laser Center are turning back the hands of time.
This is a brand new laser system for our practice. We're the only ones in Western New York with it, and it gives us the ability to treat people non-invasively, to tighten skin and a few other things that we'll talk about. But I'm really excited about where we're going with this device. It gently heats tissue, and this can be done on all different layers of skin and even beyond.
Dr. Biscalia's excitement about the treatment options they can offer with the Fotona Laser is genuine. He and the other board-certified doctors, along with their patients, have seen fabulous results with two treatments in particular: the 4D laser facelift and tight sculpting for body sculpting and skin tightening.
Tight sculpting is really a concept where we use the Fotona laser on individual body areas. So it's a similar concept that you're heating the tissue, but in a non-ablative or no downtime sort of way. But that tissue is being heated to decrease laxity of skin as well as fat. So you can use this in areas like the arms, the abdomen, the thighs, and can kind of do a two-in-one system where we're decreasing fat cells in addition to decreasing laxity at the same time.
You know, it's such a smart laser. We're really laser nerds, and we like the science of this laser, that we can very gently treat tissue so that patients get tightening, they get some volumization, and they have really low downtime. So really, we've seen bellies get tightened, we've seen jaw lines have tightening, we've seen pore size reduction. Patients feel like their skin looks brighter and smoother, so it's done a lot of good.
Another reason the doctors at the Cosmetic Vein and Laser Center are so excited about the Fotona Laser is that it can help their patients get a good night's sleep. Just like the other treatments, NightLase is simple and can help eliminate snoring in a short period of time.
It works by gently heating the soft tissue in the back of the throat. There's no anesthetic required. Most patients say they have a little scratchy feeling afterwards for that night, and then the next day they're kind of like back to normal. There's this unique app on the phone that patients will download called the Snore Lab, and it measures and records them, and what we see even after one treatment is a 10 to 20% reduction in snoring. We recommend a series of 3 treatments that are done every 2 to 4 weeks, and then usually it's 1 treatment a year for maintenance. And we really see a reduction if someone is, let's say, has a severe score on their Snore Lab, they'll be reduced to a moderate. If they have a moderate score, they will be reduced to almost no snoring.
NightLase may seem like a life-changing treatment to some, but for women who are 30 and over, the Fotona Laser offers other unique treatments that they may benefit from.
Women, as they age and laxity occurs, it can occur in all soft tissues. So women are affected with laxity from aging alone, hormone changes, pregnancies, vaginal childbirth. Laxity can then lead to symptoms like what we call stress urinary incontinence. So this is the little bit of, a little bit of pee when you sneeze, when you laugh, when you're running or exercising. Loss of lubrication. These are all issues of loss of the mucosal lining as women age. And so this laser with slow heat can actually reverse that in women. So feminine rejuvenation and doing non-surgical approaches to helping these symptoms is now real and safe and effective. We love these devices, and in the right trained hands, they do wonders. They do what we're talking to you about. And so we are laser specialists who feel very confident in our techniques, our equipment, and in our patient relationship, our consultations, discussing with patients what's best for them.
To find out more about the Fotona Ultra Performance Laser treatments and all the cosmetic and vein treatments they offer at the Cosmetic Vein and Laser Center, head to their website, cvlc.com. You can also give them a call to speak to their helpful staff and set up a free consultation at 245-7635. Let the Cosmetic Vein and Laser Center help you look more like the you that you remember. Now, coming up next, how would you like to spend an evening filled with gourmet cuisine, fabulous wines, fantastic auction items, and so much more? Well, it's all part of Beechwood Continuing Care's annual auction and food extravaganza. We'll have the details when we continue.
Special consideration for today's show paid for by the following: